Hi everyone, my name is Martin and today I'm gonna review Andycine A6 Lite 5-inch field monitor. So what's really an Andycine A6 Lite? Well, basically it is a smaller and even lighter version of Andycine A6. The monitor is bright and just like its bigger brother A6, got 8-bit IPS display with 9020 by 1080 native resolution, and it supports 4K HDMI signal input up to 3840 by 2160p. It has 460 nits brightness, 1400:1 contrast and excellent viewing angles. This monitor is really sharp with good color reproduction. A6 Lite is not a touchscreen and its main navigation control with 8 buttons placed on the top of the monitor. On the left side of the unit there are HDMI in and out ports together with DC in 12V. Dual type battery plate at the back is compatible with SONY-NP-F Series batteries, as well as the Canon LP-E6 batteries. The unit also comes equipped with a 3.5 stereo headphone jack alongside DC out 8.4V and USB upgrade ports. There are two 1/4 inch mounting points on the monitor, bottom and right side, suitable for stabilizers and hand rigs. The size is ideal for most of the shooting jobs. Build quality is good, it's still plastic construction. The unit seems a bit flimsy to use but doesn't feel very cheap, and because of that it's super lightweight. It weighs only 142.5 grams, which is a big advantage especially when you use with gimbals or handheld. The shoe bracket tilt arm is a good addition to the package. It can be also turned to film yourself. It has shoe mount on the side, so microphone can be easily attached. The sunshade and frame piece together with velcro, and it's very easy to put it in or remove it. Now time for a very important question. What's the difference between this monitor and other currently available on the market? Well, in my opinion it's a price tag. The monitor cost only €185, which is around £160 and $206 US, which is just a fraction of cost of a small HD 5-inch or a Atomos Ninja 5. I know many of you might say it's not the same league as the other two, small HD and Atomos. Their build quality is much better, they are brighter, got more features, but for those who begin with filmmaking and even some semi-pro, budget can be an issue, and in regards to how the monitor performs, and it performs super well, the A6 Lite becomes a premium quality and it's a budget-friendly option. I've been testing this monitor for last month. I didn't find any issue or problems. Having in mind how affordable this monitor is, and I will say it again, it performs very well, I am pleasantly surprised overall.